We'll guide you through how to track gym goals in Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To track your gym goals in Notion, start by opening your Google and waiting for the page to load. Then go to the search bar and type in Notion. Once the results appear, wait for the page to finish loading. Then press the first web result that shows up after searching. When the site opens, log in or sign in to your Notion account so you can access your workspace. After you log in, scroll down and go to the marketplace below, then left-click to open it. At the top of the marketplace, go to the template section, which gives you access to different layouts you can use. Inside the template section, find the template search bar and search for Gym Tracker so you can locate gym tracking options quickly. From the results, select one template that you like and open it by left-clicking. When the template page loads, press the Add button so the template gets added into your workspace and becomes available for editing. After adding it, open the template page from the left bar where your pages are listed. Inside the template, scroll until you find the databases area, which usually contains the tables included in the layout. Go to the Fitness DB by left-clicking, and once it opens, you can change the weight and reps based on your likes or needs so the tracking matches your routine. Next, go back to the database page and select the Body Metrics DB, then open it by left-clicking so you can work with your personal data. Once it opens, click New Page to create a fresh entry for your body percentage and fill up the data on the new page so the template has your current numbers. After that, go to the main page and check the remaining options inside the template so you understand what features are available. If you want to add today's workout, just go to the Today's Workout section inside the template and press New Page to create a fresh entry. Once the new page opens, fill up the form for today's workout so your gym log stays updated and organized following the structure provided by the template you selected.